show you the fidget spinner in 3, 2, 1.
Make the ground shake.
Okay guys, to enter my giveaway, first off you have to subscribe, second you have to turn post notifications on, and lastly like this video for a chance to get a free fidget spinner. Hey guys, it's me, Random Tricks, back with another video, and today we're just going out of Ace hardware store. And as you guys can tell by the title, I'm making a toothpaste fidget spinner. Okay guys, so we just got that Ace, as you can see. We're gonna go in some ball bearings. Just move right back. Okay, so we're back out. I just got the bearings and balls and stuff. Of course, I had to get some sugar wafers. So I'll get back to you guys when we get back to the house. Or actually, we're at Walgreens now. Got some warp action going on. Okay, guys, so I'm just like looking for toothpaste, right? You see this Crayola toothpaste. Now, who's gonna buy a toothpaste that looks like it's from a crayon brand? Like, you're stupid. Let's find something not too expensive. Literally everything's like $5. Here we go. Got that $1.99. Okay guys, so it's the next day. I just woke up. I sort of put the video off because I was just tired. So now we're going to actually make the fidget spinner. So okay guys, so we're here. Sorry for my room being a mess. And I've got all the supplies we need right here. So I've got my bronze bearings right here. I've got 4 of them. Show you. So basically what I'm gonna do. So I have 2 of these big ones and 1 of the small ones. I'm gonna put it here so it looks like this. And the third one on top, so it goes big, medium. Sorry about that. I've got the caps to my fidget spinner, right? So this is just your average fidget caps, right? So look, we just put the caps over. And there you go, it's a homemade bearing. It's not even that hard to make, which is probably the best part. So don't want too much. It should be enough for everything if I just spread it around. Got the medium. Now, just gonna have to put that to the side and let it dry. Let me go wash my hands off and I'll be right back. Together. So guys, I am just going to say it right here. You do not need even you just need one of the 2 of these. You either need the bronze bearing or the fidget spinner caps. Because in all reality, you can just put the fidget.
So I guess this fidget spinner will be partially edible, but you can't really swallow the whole thing. There we go. Look at that. So now I'm gonna go put it in the microwave.
1 eternity later.
35 seconds. Here. Now we're gonna go pour it in. Now we're gonna take it out. Yeah, there we go. So it's pretty hot. But as you can see, I got the toothpaste. Is this in here? So I gotta pour this in. It's really, really hot. So I'm gonna put the bearing. Guys, there you can see it's the toothpaste. Like, it looks pretty nice. Okay, so we're walking downstairs. Well, I mean, in the freezer. All bearings in after. so we're gonna put it down here by the ice cream. Check back in with you guys. So now we're gonna actually be taking the fidget spinner out of its mold. I'm gonna show you the fidget spinner in 3, 2, 1. Psych, you thought. And as you guys can see, this is a complete fail. It's been in the freezer for almost a day. Nothing really seemed to happen. Oh guys, that was a pretty fun experiment. I mean, I think it was fun to experiment with a new idea, trying to make a toothpaste fidget spinner. But as you guys can see, it just didn't work out, but that's fine with me. I mean, it's just on the name of fun, so whatever.
Make the ground shake.